Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So I sent out an email today about 2 3 hours ago. Did you guys read it? Hmm.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What do you think about it? Is there any Ujjwal in our class? Yes, there is an Ujjwal. Ujjwal, what do you think?
Sir, I have installed that app which you give the link.
Not about that. I'm talking about something else.
अच्छा ऑनेस्टी पॉलिसी.
Yeah.
यस सर. सर हम लोग चीट नहीं करेंगे.
हम
वी
लोग
विल नॉट हेल्प ईच अदर.
help helping is not the problem.
मीन्स इन द एग्जामिनेशन वी विल नॉट हेल्प.
Problem is not helping. Problem is something else. I know. I stopped giving these fundas anymore. Anyway, मैं दूं फंडा नहीं दूं छोड़ो ना क्या फर्क पड़ता है. Anyway.
So
So
there's one more catch with model sim. Like
yeah,
for using it with a Mac OS, one would need to make a virtual machine or dual boot it using Windows.
yeah, you have to. That is the the price that you have to pay for choosing the second most popular operating system.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I got an email from somebody yesterday regarding that. So if you have a Mac OS system, then you have to. There are 2 3 things that you can do. You can either install a virtual machine with Windows in it. Okay, that is one option. Second option is dual boot it unless you have the latest Mac with M1 chip. Then that is not going. There is no dual boot option there. You can't install Windows on it. So if you have an older Mac, means anything older than 2020 and that means it is going to work. Third option is you can choose another software which can do Verilog simulation. I know there are a couple which work on Mac OS, but they are not very robust, or I don't think you will get too much documentation for them, and it will be more complicated than doing either of the other two things. And I can't help you if you choose another software to do your work. Please, I can help you with the syntax of Verilog, but I cannot help you debug your errors that you might get while you're running your software on macOS. Okay, so not because I don't want to help you, because I don't have a Mac system with me, uh, so that is why. Okay. Anyway, so if you did not understand the email, let me reiterate it. Uh, or why don't we do a class on statistics? So statistics have failed you, unfortunately. Those who are are mostly those who are helping others. Okay, they get the biggest penalty by choosing to help others. Whatever you want by help, I don't mean the real help, but so-called help, which is cheating everybody. Okay, so this is, when I say help, this is the help in quotes. Okay, which is not a real help, but mostly you have lost those who are helping others. So because I know that the difference between classes, students from one year to the next year, is a little bit there, but not that much. That in the year before, I taught first time I taught a full course online last semester. So we gave out. I know the exact number of A's, A plus जो भी है अभी 10, जो भी तुम्हारा 10 के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग जो भी ग्रेड है, इज इट ए प्लस फॉर यू गाइस? व्हाट इज इट? हमारे
A
आईआईटी रुड़की
plus.
में रोज चेंज
It's
होता रहता
A.
है. अभी तक हमें पता नहीं है. एनीवे व्हाट इज इट गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ? ए व्हाट इज 10? ए प्लस
A.
पक्का?
सर लास्ट टाइम A plus आया था, अभी पता नहीं
A plus.
चेंज हो गया.
वही कह रहा हूँ, एटीट्यूड की में रोज चेंज होता रहता है ये, तो मुझे भी नहीं पता क्या है. So we got only 2, so the class size was 110 or somewhere between 105 and 110. Okay, so 2 people got A plus, 9, maybe like 8 people got 9. Okay, so this was the worst performance as far as grades are concerned. Okay, so if the scores were not what they were, okay, and they were there, the scores were what they were because we know what happened. Okay, it means it was not a surprise. I know that the temptations are too strong for you guys to help each other. Okay, again, help in quotes. So the temptations are too strong, so I don't but please try to understand that finally those who are helping others are losing the most. Okay, so this is the worst performing as far as grades are concerned for my whole entire career. Okay, I have never given less than 10 for a 10 for 100, less than 10% A's. Never have given in a BTech course. Okay, so but you can choose to do if you want to. You can help each other. If you get caught, you will obviously get an F grade, but it's not possible for me to catch everybody. And but if I catch everybody, if let us say everybody copies and everybody gets the same answers, then obviously all of you are going to get an F. All 122 of you. Okay, so don't think that I'm not going to do that. I will do it. Maybe director can change his grade, but I will give F to everybody. Okay, if all of you are caught copying in one way or another. Okay, so please do not. So if you email me कि सर मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, I don't care. I care that you should learn. Okay, I don't care that you got caught while copying. Okay, I don't care about that. Okay, so if you get caught, then obviously you'll get an F. But even if you don't get caught, there is a very high likelihood that if you use your WhatsApp groups or whatever you are using right now, your grades are going to be really, really poor. Okay, so I'll tell you who benefits. The person who benefits is who doesn't know anything. Okay, he's going to get an F grade or a D grade or whatever. Okay, so he is going to benefit in one sense. Okay, in one sense he is going to benefit. As means whatever benefit you consider as benefit. Okay, so again, I don't consider that as benefit, but anyway, let us go with that. You are benefit means you get a good score compared to what you would have got otherwise. Score might be you all might get a very good score, but finally, it does not really matter whether you got 99. Okay, if 99, if you got a score of 99 out of 100, and you get a 7 grade, this is not going to be shown on your transcript. The only thing that is going to be shown on your transcript is your whatever 7 stands for B. Okay, this is the grade that you are going to see. Okay, so even if you get 99, if everybody gets 99, let us assume a theoretical scenario where everybody gets 99. Statistics, what does it say? 99, what is the average?
99.
What is the average? Ujjwal?
So 99.
99. What is the grade at the average? Do you know?
B.
Nope.
7.
I was wrong. It is going to be a 6. For B, you need. I was wrong. For B, you need higher than average. At average, you get a C. Sorry, C plus, which is 6. So everybody of you is going to get a 6. So obviously, those who are getting 4, 0, 4, and 5 will benefit, obviously. But everybody else, and those who are getting 6, it does not matter for them. But those who are getting 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 people are going to lose the most. Okay, those who would have gotten 10, and most likely 10 of you will get a 10 if you don't do what I'm asking you not to do. But if you do it, I don't. If I catch you, then you're going to get an F anyway. But if I don't, even if I don't catch you, even if everything goes according to your plan, okay, your plan is going to fail because of statistics. Okay, I really hate statistics, but in this case, it is really helping me. Okay, it's not helping me, but it is. I don't know. Maybe you will learn something. Okay. So anybody has a question here? So if you want, somebody proposed last time. I got the highest in the after the YouTube live stream was over, I looked at the somehow something my eyes went there, and there were so many dislikes on my video last time. So that is very good. I touched a nerve with you guys, but that dislike is not going to change my plan about the rest of the course. So if you think that it is too much work, I don't think that is too much work for 4 credits. You're getting 4 credits anyway.
Sir, can there
Obviously,
be
compared to other
strict
courses, it is
proctoring?
too much work. I agree with that. But I don't, but that is not my problem. I think the problem is of the other courses that they don't give enough work according to 4 credits. Yeah, go ahead, Ujjwal.
Yes sir. Sir, strict proctoring नहीं हो सकता एग्जाम में?
मैं क्यों करूं यार, मैं क्यों इतनी मेहनत करूं?
जैसे सर
Strict
फर्स्ट
proctoring
सेम में प्रोफेसर
नहीं, मुझे नहीं करनी यार, मुझे नहीं करनी. मैं क्यों करूं? मैं क्यों मुझे मालूम है फिर भी चीटिंग होगी. मैं क्यों अपनी मेहनत करूं इतनी? Strict proctoring तो दूर की बात है. What I have planned is that instead of 2 quizzes, we'll have a. I've changed my plan. We'll have a take-home quiz. Okay. So instead of 2 quizzes, we'll have take-home quiz. I'll assign the quiz, and you'll have 1 week to complete it. Okay, you can complete it in your time. It does not matter how long you want to take. I'll assign you 1 week to do it, and there will be no makeup take-home quizzes or anything like that. So please plan your life accordingly, if you can. Okay, if there are some problems, obviously, you'll. But I'm giving you 1 week to do it. Okay, so but here you'll have to type your answers. Okay, and you will finally send me whatever source code. For example, you are using Word to type your answers, then you'll send me an MS Word file along with a PDF file. Okay, so you'll send me 2 files. Okay, a Word file and a PDF file containing the same thing, obviously. And or if you're using OpenOffice, LibreOffice, whatever office you're using, the docx file. Okay. So that is why I'm giving you 1 week to do it. Okay, because I want you to type your answers. There should be nothing handwritten on it. Okay, you're going to type your answers fully. And what else? If you're making any figures, if you don't want to make your figures using Word, that is fine. You can use your notebooks to draw your figures and then include a copy of that in the Word file. Okay. So that is one thing. Or if you are using LaTeX, if anybody of you know what LaTeX is, if any of you is using LaTeX, please include the PDF file along with the source code. Okay, your text file. Okay. Any questions? Anybody?
Sir, is this for the midterm quiz that we were going to have, or for other assignments?
No, this is the midterm quiz.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it will be a take home. Again, please remember, why so Ujjwal gave a good suggestion. Why don't we do strict proctoring? How is it going to benefit so it is going to benefit those who are not those who are too intelligent. Okay, so some of them they will find a way to copy. You can find a way, but please remember this. All of you are losing here. Those who will get 7, 8, 9 and 10, they are losing. You can do it. Everybody lost. The total number of grades in my course was this side. Usually it is opposite. Okay, in the previous course, usually there are more people in the grades 0, 5, 6. Usually the number of people here. Okay, number of people here is less than the number of people in 7, 8, 9 and 10. Usually, but last year it was opposite. Last semester, the number of people who got 0, 4, 5 and 6 was greater than the number of people who got 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can choose to do it. So that is why I really do not want to put too much effort. दो quiz क्यों बनाऊँ, क्यों इतनी सारी मेहनत करूँ? Finally तुम cheating करोगे ही, जिसको करनी है, तो मैं क्यों इतनी मेहनत करूँ? तो मैंने decide किया है कि ये करेंगे, ठीक है? Please do not give me handwritten solutions. I'm not going to accept them. All your solutions should be, and most likely I'll assign it by the end of this week. Okay, so you'll have 1 week to complete it. So most likely it will be due next Sunday. Okay. Any questions? Anybody?
Sir, please send up regarding the details given today.
Sanchit, what are you saying? Can you repeat?
Please send a mail regarding details given today. Like there were many minute details. So if you send a
What is the
mail,
minor detail you did not get?
that latex software, I
No,
have
you don't have to use it if you don't know what I'm talking about. I just said that please, if you forget about this, if you don't know what this is, don't worry about it. If you are using MS Word, that's all. You have to send your MS Word and PDF file.
Okay.
Okay. Anybody else?
सर
Yeah.
सर ऑफलाइन सेमेस्टर में 10 और 9 ग्रेड्स आप करीब कितने % बच्चों को देते थे?
मैंने बताया ना एटलीस्ट 10 लोगों को मिला है हर बार 10.
10 ग्रेड
हाँ
और 9?
याद नहीं यार 9 तो 10 से ज़्यादा ही होता है यूजुअली.
ओके सर.
पिछली बार दोनों मिला के 10 मिला था.
अच्छा ओके सर.
तो तुम कर लो. मतलब तुम अब जो जो जिनको 9 और 10 मिलने वाला है वो अपना नुकसान कर रहे हैं. 8 9 10 वाले मिनिमम. ठीक है 7 वाले हो सकता है थोड़े बॉर्डर पे हैं तो हो सकता है वो नुकसान कर रहे हैं या नहीं कर रहे हैं पता नहीं. लेकिन 8 9 10 वाले पक्का अपना नुकसान कर रहे हैं. एटलीस्ट पिछले साल के सेमेस्टर का तो मुझे ये बताता है. ठीक है पिछले सेमेस्टर का.
So we will get this take home quiz on Sunday
या
and it's due on next Sunday.
या सो यू कैन कॉपी एज मच एज यू वांट.
No, sir. We have other tutes assigned by you in
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
time
they will
zone.
not change. So you can do it beforehand if you want to. Okay.
Yes, sir.
सर तो
Anybody?
इससे भी तो सबको सर सेम ही मार्क्स मिल जाएगा तो फिर से तो 6 7 8 वाला ही मिलेगा सबको.
हाँ तो कॉपी मत करना ये कह रहा हूँ मैं. मेरी गलती थोड़ी है वो. मैं कह रहा हूँ यू आर नॉट अलाउड सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट. टेक होम क्विज यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू डिस्कस विद ईच अदर एनीथिंग. You are not allowed. If you want to do it, I can't go into your home and stop you from doing it. I don't recommend you do it. But if you want to do it, I cannot stop you. The only thing that you are going to, even if I don't catch you, if I catch you, obviously you're going to get an F. If I don't catch you, you're all going to get a 7 or 6. You can do. Any questions? Anybody else?
Sir, there are 2 tutorial sheets to submit on Mondays.
On Monday?
Yes, sir. Sunday will be the last date for the take home quiz. The Monday will.
So what is
Monday
the
I
problem?
have-
What is the problem? Do it before. Anyone else?
Nothing else, I guess.
Okay. And according to as I mentioned in the email, according to the institute software, institute has a software which assigns grades automatically according to your scores by calculating mean and standard deviation and so on and so forth. So according to that, nobody should have gotten A in the last semester. By A I mean 10. Okay, nobody. So I gave extra A's. Okay, so I gave 2 instead of 0. So this time I'm not going to be very sympathetic towards that either. Okay, so if the software is going to tell me that 2 people should get a 10, it is very likely that I'll reduce it to 0, but I'll not do the opposite. Okay, because I'm giving you enough warnings. Please do not copy from each other. As a not because and see I don't mind if everybody of you honestly if I really thought that all of you are doing wonderful, I would give 10 to everybody. I would not forget. I will forget about the statistics. Okay, but I know what you're going to do, so that is why I have to be a little bit strict. And I am just explaining to you how the people who are at 7, 8, 9, and 10 are going to lose very severely if they. And even if 10 people जो 10 आने वाले लोग हैं वो भी आपस में चीटिंग करेंगे तो उनको भी नुकसान होगा. Please understand that because it will come close your average. You will come closer to the average. Okay, as long as you help each other, you are becoming closer and closer to the average. Okay, and average takes you to 6. Okay. So please do not do that. Take home quiz, and again you have to type your answers, and I'll okay, that's all. And if you again, there is no discussion about this. If you are found copying in this, you'll get a straight F grade. Okay, you'll get a 0 in every single score. Okay, if you copy here, and if I don't catch you, that is all right. But statistics comes into the play in that regard. But if you are caught, then you'll obviously get a 0 in everything. Not only this quiz, everything. I'll put a 0 everywhere. Okay. So now this is done. Does anybody have a question from the class? And please understand that the quiz is not 1 week long. Okay, I'm giving you 1 week's time, but it should take like 2-3 hours. That's all, not more than that, including the typing part. Maybe if you are too slow in typing, then maybe 4 hours. Okay, so it is not going to take you 1 week to complete it. Okay, if you were to handwrite it, then maybe 1 hour. Okay, so the quiz is only 1 hour. Please understand that. ठीक है ना, जो लोग परेशान हो रहे थे, प्रज्ञांश, was it you? About the tutorials?
Yes, sir.
Pragyansh,
Yes, sir.
did you mention about the tutorials or no?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, so it is going to be only 1 hour quiz. Okay, only thing that you have to do is you just have to type it. So
The type project would be of 1 hour.
yeah, my expectation is you can take the full week if you want to do it. But my expectation is that it's going to be 1 hour long. That's all. It should
And
take you 1 hour.
And there will be a model sim project sometime in the future too.
Yeah, obviously.
Yes.
I reduced the number of quizzes. No, I made it only a one quiz. That's all.
So, sir, for
Yeah.
the CWS part, we have the tutorials. So the 1 week project or 1 week quiz that you will give, and a project.
And also some assignments from Model Sim.
So that is different from the project that you'll give.
No project. I'm not sure about the project till now. Depends on how far we can get along in Model Sim. In Verilog.
So there
Okay.
would be some assignments of model sim. So a 1 week quiz that you have given, and so tutorials.
It's not a 1 week quiz. Please understand. It is 1 hour quiz. Okay, and typing
Yes,
maybe
sir.
3 hours. Okay, let us assume that it will take you 3 hours to type. So it is a 4 hour quiz, not a 1 week quiz. Please do not misunderstand what I am trying to say.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yes, sir. So there
So
are
the
technically
only
three
the
components.
only reason I'm giving you 1 week, okay, the only reason is I'm giving you 1 week is because I don't want to make 2 or 3 question papers. Okay, one thing, because finally you are going to do whatever you're going to do. मैं क्यों तो इतना झंझट करूँ, ठीक है? दूसरी चीज़. Second thing, that some people might have emergencies or whatever, so please do not leave it for the last day. Please submit it on first day. If you want to make changes, you can keep making changes. Okay, as long as you want. But I would not recommend it. Just do it once and be done with it, and do not wait कि भाई मेरा संडे को मेरा सबमिट नहीं हो पाया. I am not going to accept any of those excuses. Okay, कि मेरा संडे को सर मैं बिल्कुल लास्ट मोमेंट पे. I don't care. Please do not load the server at the end of the day on Sunday. Okay, please submit it as soon as possible. If you want to change it, you can change it. Okay, you can resubmit your PDF file if you want to do it. PDF and doc files. Okay. So the quiz is 1 hour plus 3 hours for typing. If you need to take 3 hours, some people might do it in 1 hour also. So you can think of it as 2 hours quiz. But you have a 1 week for including all emergencies. Whatever emergencies you may have, I'm giving you contingency of 1 week for dealing with all of that. Okay.
Yes, so there are 3 components for the CWS, sir.
No, there are tutorials.
Yes, sir. Tutorials, so 1 quiz, and so like.
No,
the
we
project.
have had some those quizzes also. No, surprise quiz
quizzes.
in the
Yes,
class.
sir,
Yeah.
including that.
Yeah.
So totals of 4 components.
No, I don't know. Maybe one more. I don't know. But it is 60 marks. Okay.
Sir.
Let us see how the semester proceeds. So let us try making what we were talking about in the last class. Let us say we have a single, we are trying to design a serial 4-bit adder. Okay. So I'm getting a serial data that is coming in on X and Y. Okay. LSB comes first, then comes, so if we have so the data is going to come in this manner: X0, X1, X2, X3, and Y0, Y1, Y2, Y0. गलत बोल दिया मैंने. So this is your and we want to make an adder. Okay, you're getting two wires are connected. Okay, on one wire you are getting X, on the other wire you're getting Y. The first term to come is term that arrives on this wire is the LSB. Okay, the LSB appears first. Okay, and you have one full adder available to you. Okay, one full adder is available to you. Okay, and you want to do something. Okay, you want to add these two numbers. How would you do it? You obviously need something else other than the full adder. What do you need? क्या हुआ यार, तुम लोग तो शॉक में चले गए.
सर जो कैरी आएगा उसको
है
हमें
प्रफुल्ल?
स्टोर करना.
एक सेकंड रुक
सर
जाओ,
जो
एक सेकंड रुक जाओ. शॉक में चले गए क्या? क्या हो गया है? नहीं, तुमसे ही पूछ रहा हूं मैं. प्रफुल्ल,
यस सर.
शॉक में चले गए क्या? ऐसा कुछ गलत बोल दिया क्या मैंने?
नहीं सर.
बताओ, कुछ गलत बोला हो तो. कोई चीज़ अनरीजनेबल लग रही है तुम्हें?
सर बस वो असाइनमेंट्स शायद वो संडे को दोनों ड्यू है ना, उसमें हुई ट्रबल.
अरे यार, तो क्या हो गया, 2 दिन पहले कर लेना. उसको मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ, फ्राइडे कर देता हूँ संडे की बजाय. ठीक है. चलो मंडे कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, आई विल चेंज दैट. ओके. Okay. Anyway, yeah, what are we going to do? So what we'll do is that we'll keep 2 shift registers. Okay, so 4-bit shift registers. Okay, again we have a 4-bit shift register. Okay, 4-bit shift register. Okay, what are we going to do here? इनमें clock है. Okay. So if those 2 numbers are written over here, what is going to happen? अगर मान लो यहाँ पर ये लिखे हुए हैं x3, x2, x1, x0 and y3, y2, y1 and y0. What is going to happen? अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? सबसे पहले इन दोनों में अगर मैं एक क्लॉक लगा दूं, इफ आई गेट अ 1 क्लॉक एज, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? क्या होगा यहाँ पर? यहाँ पर क्या मिलेगा हमें? क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? इशू. What is going to happen?
We'll get the serial data, like first we'll get x0, y0.
So at the first clock edge, you are going to get x0 and y0. Okay. And then what can we do with x0 and y0?
We can give them as input to the full adder.
Those are going to be your inputs to your full adder. Okay, good. So, and you will have S and C out and C in. ठीक है?
And the output C out will be connected to C in. Like we can keep it like this.
If I connect that to C in, please understand that this is not a sequential circuit. Okay, this is not a sequential circuit. This is a combinational circuit. So if I connect C out to C in, then we'll have a feedback, immediate, instantaneous feedback. That we do not want that. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, sir, I understood.
This is a combinational circuit. So if you directly connect C out to C in, then C out is directly dependent on C in at that particular. C out depends on itself then immediately. Okay.
Yeah, it will not wait for clock.
Yeah. So it's a combinational circuit. So please understand that. So we need a way to store the C out so that we can put that as the C in for the next clock edge. Okay. So how do we do that? क्या करेंगे हम? इस clock को एक और रजिस्टर लगा लेंगे, single bit register. Okay, we can use single bit register. Okay, that C out goes to the input of that register. Okay, and the output Q goes to Cn. Is that all right? ठीक है या नहीं है?
Yes.
Okay. So what is this going to do? This is going to delay this C out by 1 clock cycle, which is what we want, because our next X1 and Y1 are going to appear at the next clock cycle, next clock edge. Okay, so this is going to delay the C out going to C in until 1 clock edge. Okay, the next clock edge. Okay, so that is one thing. What about S? S का क्या होगा? What is S going to be? Again, we connect that to a 4-bit shift register. ठीक है, और हमारी यहाँ पे clock लगा दी, and we connect the clock here. What is going to happen in this case? यहाँ पर क्या होगा?
सर जो सम होगा वो एक क्लॉक साइकिल से डिले हो जाएगा.
सम होगा वो एक क्लॉक साइकिल से डिले हो जाएगा. सम होगा वो एक क्लॉक साइकिल से डिले हो जाएगा. कैसे? या ऑब्वियसली
और फिर
so
वो हम स्टोर कर लेंगे उसे.
yeah, so we so in this case you will get S0. जब ये situation होगी then we will get S0 over here. Okay, so at the next clock edge, what is the input? इस shift register के लिए input क्या है?
S0.
S0 is the input, and so this will become, so let us say initially it was 0 0 0 0. Okay, again in this case also we'll initially assign it to 0. Okay, initially the output is going to be 0, initial output. Okay, we'll use that, we'll make some complex circuitry, so we'll use the reset here. Okay, to keep it at 0 when we are getting X0 and Y0. Okay, we need to add that circuitry to this. Okay, so what happens in this case? So this is initially going to be 0 0. After the first clock edge, this will become not the first clock edge but the second clock edge, sorry. So this will become S0. Okay, 0 0, and this is going to be X1 and Y1. As soon as you get X1 and Y1, and here you are going to get, यहाँ पर क्या मिलेगा मेरे को? C0 बोल रहे हैं हम, 1 बोल रहे हैं, क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको? C out को 1 बोलते हैं ना? या C.
Yes, 1 बोलते हैं.
हाँ 1 बोलते हैं. Okay, so this will be C1. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please explain, sir, why there would be delay of 1 clock cycle in the sum, like the output of sum?
No, output of sum यहाँ पर नहीं होगी, यहाँ पर तो immediately आ जाएगा. जैसे ही तुम्हारा X0 Y0 in इस केस में as soon as you apply X1 Y1 and C1, immediately you will get S1. Okay, but that being written to this shift register, how long will it take? Shift register में कब लिख सकते हैं हम? When is the shift register going to be written?
Okay, so because the clock is same, so it will
it will wait for the next clock edge.
Next clock.
It is going to wait for the next clock edge.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now when my next clock edge appears here, I am going to get x2, y2 over here. Here this was s1. This moves, this shifts everything towards the right. So I'll get s1, s0, and this is going to become s2. Okay, and this is going to be c2. Okay. Now we keep on doing this, and finally my result is going to be,
Sir, this carry, like this carry flip flop will also be delayed by 1 clock cycle.
think about it, what is happening here. So let us look at the original situation. Okay, x0, y0 and s0. ठीक है. What should be my carry initially? यहाँ पर carry कितनी होनी चाहिए? Initial carry to x0 and y0. It should be 0. Okay, so initially it is 0. We have set this, we have reset this particular D flip flop. Okay, that one bit register, we have reset it to 0. Okay, that is what our initial condition is. Okay, now let us look at the, so what is C out going to be in this case? C out will be whatever x0 and y0 create. ठीक है ना? And we are calling that as C1. ठीक है? Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So x0 and y0 are going to create this C1. Now what is the purpose of this C1? This C1 has to be added to what?
X1, Y1.
X1, Y1. When are x1 and y1 going to appear over here? At the next clock edge.
Okay, sir. Next clock edge.
Okay.
Sir.
At the same time, this C1 is going to appear over here. As soon as x1 and y1 appear here, C1 also appears here at the next clock edge, because all of them are synchronous. All of them operate at the same clock. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So your final answer is going to be what? S3, S2, S1, S0 along with this C4. Okay, whatever is your C4 at the end. Okay, that becomes your final answer. Okay, so this is how you would implement a serial adder. Okay, anybody has a question?
Sir?
Yeah.
सर यार x3, x2, x1 और x0 जो है वो वेव फॉर्म में आएगा ना, जैसे अगर एक क्लॉक साइकिल के लिए 0 फिर अगर 1 होगा तो उस टाइप से हम इनपुट देंगे ना?
हाँ.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, it is a single wire. Okay, so let us say if x, this is 1 0 0 1, let us say that. Okay, and this is my clock. And this is a positive edge triggered circuit everywhere. So initially at the first clock edge my input is 1. Okay, and it stays 1 for the, let us say, the whole clock edge, and a little bit before the clock edge I change it to 0. Okay, stays 0 at this clock edge. Okay, because again we are getting a 0, it will be a 0 again. At the next clock edge it is going to become, just before the next clock edge, it is going to become 1. So it will look something like this. So this is your clock and this is x. Is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Praful, I could not hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, since x is a like serial data, so sir, like when x0 will be output, sir, another x4 like will be entered in that serial 4-bit register. I mean this 4-bit shift register. So sir, like if x0 will be put forward, like we'll get x0.
Yeah.
So sir, another like x4, if we say that, will enter in 4-bit shift register.
Yeah, we can actually continuously keep using this. Okay, x4 will not enter, another x0 will enter.
Yes, sir. So sir, we'll like the output we are getting S0, S1, S2, S3.
Yeah.
So, sir, we'll take when all the 4 bits will be entered. Like after, like we have to calculate like after how many clock cycle or all the 4 bits will get into the full.
Yeah,
level.
and then we'll read accordingly. We know that, because we are designing it.
Okay.
So we are going to read it only at that time.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay. Any other questions?
सर इसमें रीसेट एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए सर, रीसेट को क्यों ऐड किया था?
क्योंकि हमको ओरिजिनल C00 करना है ना.
यस सर.
वो कैसे करेंगे?
अच्छा. यस सर.
तो हमें उसके लिए एक सर्किट बनाना पड़ेगा. मींस we might have to add another maybe a sync signal. Okay, what does sync mean? that I'm telling that this is the beginning of my input. Okay, so for example here, okay, I'm just giving an example. Okay, maybe it is not implemented exactly in this manner, but let us say that I also give an additional input which is sync. Okay, what is sync telling me? That this is the point where my data starts. Okay, this is the point where x0 is beginning. Okay, so where is my, थोड़ा और इसको वो कर देते हैं. So maybe something like this. Okay, you get something like this. Is that all right? So this is your sync. So this appears, we get a pulse just before this clock edge. Okay, just before the clock edge where we are starting our new x. Okay, and it will stay the same until we are completely done with all the x's. So something like this. So this might be one way of implementing the point where my data is starting. ठीक है, अगर मान लो this sync was given to you, then what would be the input to this reset? इसमें क्या input देना होगा मैं, अगर मुझे ये करना है तो? Did you get what I am saying here? So the sync, you can think of sync as it becomes 1 just before the clock edge on which your data starts. Okay, and it becomes 0 just after that particular clock edge. Okay, and it stays 0 until my next set of data arrives. Okay, ठीक है या नहीं? आ रहा है किसी को समझ में ये बात? प्रफुल्ल, आ रहा है कुछ समझ में? कौन, नेहा, कौन पूछ रहा था? रिचा, वाज इट यू?
यस सर, मतलब सर सिंक सर ये बता रहा है कि हमारा नया इनपुट जा रहा है, मतलब जैसे 0 है. हाँ,
तो हम इसको तो बताओ, इस सिंक को हम इसमें लगा सकते हैं क्या? ये हम जनरेट कर रहे हैं. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस सर्किट इज नॉट जनरेटिंग इट, वी आर जनरेटिंग इट सेपरेटली. ओके, वी आर जनरेटिंग द क्लॉक, द सिंक एंड एक्स सेपरेटली, एंड ऑल्सो वाई ऑब्वियसली. Okay, but the sync we are adding an additional input to tell us where my data starts, because it is a stream of continuous data. ठीक है ना, हमारा ये continuously आ रहा है सारा डेटा, तो हमें पता होना चाहिए ना कहाँ पर x0 है, कहाँ पर x4 है या x3 है ना, ये पता होना चाहिए ना. अभी अगर ये continuously और मैं बढ़ाता रहूँ इस x को, मान लो let us say I did something like this. Okay, how would you know which one is x0 and which one is x? लेकिन ये कैसे डिसाइड करोगे ये x0 है या ये x1 है, ये x3 है?
Okay, so how is it going to read कि x, what is x?
Yeah, which x? Means obviously we know the sequence. We know the sequence by looking at the clock. We know the sequence. This is going to be 1. So x is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so this is the sequence that you got. ठीक है, हमें ये पता चल गया क्लॉक एज से, हमें खाली ये तो पता चला कि हमें ये सीक्वेंस मिला. इसमें से कौन सा x0 है, कौन सा x3 है, कहाँ पर क्या है, वो कैसे पता चलेगा?
Yes sir.
Did you get it? Yes, now so I'm telling, by using this I'm telling that this clock edge is the beginning of my new data set. ठीक है?
Yes sir, I understood.
Okay, so अब ये बताओ कहाँ है रिचा, तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन अभी अधूरा रह गया.
सर ये तो आ गया मुझे समझ में सिंक और रीसेट का पर्पस, पर सर सिंक और रीसेट को रिलेट कैसे कर रहे हैं?
हाँ, तुम बताओ क्या होना चाहिए. सिंक को क्या करना चाहिए? सिंक जैसे ही आएगा, जैसे ही सिंक आएगा क्या होना चाहिए हमारे इस फ्लिप फ्लॉप का?
जैसे ही पहली बार सिंक 1 हो तब ये रीसेट कर दे.
हाँ, तो कैसे करोगे वो?
उसको 0 कर देंगे r को.
हाँ, वो कैसे करोगे? यू विल अप्लाई सिंक बार हियर. अगर सिंक का बार लगा दो यहाँ पर, इफ यू अप्लाई अ सिंक विद द नॉट गेट ओवर हियर, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? It will stay 1 at all places except when sync becomes 1, then it is going to become 0. That is how this always high reset works. Normally high reset works.
सर
Yeah.
सर ये रीसेट क्लॉक एज पे ही जीरो करेगा या अगर हम बीच में भी क्लॉक एज के इंटरमीडिएट पोजीशन पे भी रीसेट जीरो कर दें तब भी वो जीरो कर देता है?
क्या क्या क्या?
सर जैसे इस केस की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मतलब जनरल में हम देखते हैं कि डी फ्लिप फ्लॉप में नेगेटिव एज या पॉजिटिव एज पे ही चेंज होता है। पर सर
But
अगर
this is an asynchronous reset. Okay, it does not wait for the clock. Okay, that is the way it is designed.
सर मतलब जैसे अगर हमने किसी भी पॉइंट पे जैसे ही रीसेट जीरो होगा वो अपने आप आउटपुट को जीरो कर देगा।
हाँ, जीरो और जीरो ही रहेगा तब तक रीसेट जीरो हो रहेगा, ठीक है, चेंज ही नहीं हो सकता जब तक तुम कुछ भी करते रहो क्लॉक के साथ।
ओके सर।
Okay, it overrides everything else. Clock, input, everything, all the other inputs are overridden by this reset. As soon as this reset becomes zero, it will keep the output at zero. Okay, similarly with set. Okay, as long as set stays at zero in a normally high input situation, okay, as long as set stays at zero, it will keep the output at one. Okay, irrespective of what the other outputs or clock are doing, other inputs or clock are doing. Sorry. Okay.
ओके सर। सर कॉम्बिनेशनल सर्किट में कभी हम फीडबैक नहीं दे सकते हैं ना, मतलब वो फीडबैक देंगे तो सीक्वेंशियल बन जाएगा ना?
It might.
सर क्योंकि जब स्टार्टिंग में किसी ने कहा था ना कि C4 जो C आउट है उसको हम डायरेक्टली C इन से कनेक्ट कर दें, तो आपने कहा था कि वो कॉम्बिनेशनल होगा, बट
नहीं, we can do it, it's not wrong, you can do it if you want, but it will not give you the right answer. Why will it not give you the right answer? Because what is happening here, so as soon as you want your output to stay constant so that you can get the right output over here, हमें सही output चाहिए ना यहाँ पर अगली clock edge पे भी।
यस सर।
तब तक हमें वेट करना है, तो अगर तुम इसको डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट कर दोगे तो वो माइन्यूट सेकंड के लिए होगा बस, उसके बाद तुम्हारा क्या फंक्शन बन जाएगा, व्हाट विल योर फंक्शन, योर इनिशियली सी आउट वाज क्या, ए बी प्लस बी सी, ठीक है, प्लस सी ए, ये था ना सी आउट।
यस सर।
एंड एस वाज ए जोर बी जोर सी, ठीक है।
यस सर।
नाउ दिस सी बिकम्स अ फंक्शन ऑफ सी।
यस सर।
ठीक है ना, तो उसमें जो भी तुम्हारा या तो वो चेंज होता रहेगा या फिर जहाँ पर जाकर स्टेबल होगा वहाँ पर स्टेबल हो जाएगा, ठीक है ना। इसकी एनालिसिस करनी पड़ेगी स्पेसिफिक केसेस के लिए।
ओके सर।
बट दैट विल नॉट गिव यू द राइट आंसर, नो।
यस सर, वो इमीडिएटली चेंज हो जाएगा।
हाँ, इमीडिएटली चेंज हो जाएगा। यू कैन कनेक्ट इट, इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग टू कनेक्ट इट, बट इट्स रॉन्ग फॉर द आवर पर्पस।
यस सर।
ओके,
यस।
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन?
एक और डाउट है सर, ये यहाँ पे जो सिंक को दूसरी बार मतलब सिंक को हम लोग भेजें तो उसे क्या खाली x0 पे हाई रखेंगे?
क्या क्या क्या
सर जो सिंक मतलब सिंक हम लोग जनरेट कर रहे हैं ना,
हाँ हाँ,
तो सर उसको खाली x0 पे हाई रखेंगे मतलब?
हाँ, बस x0 के आसपास, x0 के जो क्लॉक एज है उसी के थोड़ा सा पहले और थोड़े बाद में रखेंगे बस, बाकी टाइम पे ऑफ रहेगा, मतलब जीरो रहेगा।
तो मतलब जब तक 4 बिट्स बाकी आ ना जाए
हाँ
तब तक ऑफ।
वो इसका पर्पस है, वो ये बता रहा है हमारा नया सीक्वेंस यहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, उसके बाद क्या जरूरत है उसकी।
यस।
ठीक है ना, हमें पता चल गया यहाँ से नया सीक्वेंस स्टार्ट हो रहा है, फिर उसके बाद हमें नेक्स्ट उसको पता चल जाएगा भाई यहाँ पे साथ से हमारा नेक्स्ट सीक्वेंस स्टार्ट हो रहा है।
यस सर, आ गया। यस सर,
ठीक है,
थैंक यू सर।
ओके, एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? You guys, others can leave. If anybody has a question, I'll answer. And
सर जब x3 और y3 इनपुट्स आएंगे तब वहाँ पे s3 बन जाएगा, लेकिन उसको स्टोर करने के लिए और एक क्लॉक बिट नहीं लगेगा?
हाँ लगेगा ना, लगेगा ना, लेकिन
तो
उससे फर्क क्या पड़ेगा, इधर वो चलता रहेगा अपना काम, इधर चलता रहेगा। S3 देखो ना यार, यहाँ पर S3 इज योर इनपुट जस्ट बिफोर द नेक्स्ट क्लॉक एज अराइव्स, जब यहाँ पर नए x0 और y0 आने वाले हैं, ठीक है। ये जब तक यहाँ पर पहुंच जाएगा उसके बाद यहाँ पर जो भी हो रहा है वो होने दे।
अच्छा, तो फिर से x0 आ जाएगा।
हाँ हाँ,
ओके सर।
फिर उसके बाद इसमें हम जैसे ही हमारा यहाँ पर नया वो आया तो हमें पूरा ये मिल गया, अब हम इस डेटा को ले लेंगे, जो करना है हम करेंगे, उसके बाद फिर जो नेक्स्ट सीक्वेंस होगा वो ऐसे लगेगा S0 S3 S2 S1, और इधर वाला S0 गायब हो जाएगा, ये नया S0 आ गया।
ओके सर,
ठीक है, ओके, एनीबडी एल्स? आज तक के बेस्ट तो क्या कहते हैं, कितने 18 डिसलाइक्स और 11 लाइक्स, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स थोड़ा कमेंट कर रहे हैं, मैंने नहीं देखा. So I have the highest number of likes for this particular lecture also. So it's not really that bad, based on the amount of the kind of content that was there in this lecture. So 11 likes is very, 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 very good. Thank you very much. And especially for the 18 dislikes. Anyway, it does not matter. ये थोड़े दिन में गायब हो जाएगा ये सब. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is that it is not going to change. Okay. So if the point of the course, and in general, if you try to understand a little bit about why do you have exams. Okay, exams is theoretically, okay, maybe you do not care, but theoretically exams are meant for you to understand, not for me. मुझे तो पता है और फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता मुझे पता हो या ना पता हो. For you to understand what you are good at or not. Okay, that is the ideal purpose of the exams. Okay, because you want to do something throughout your life which you enjoy a little bit and you are good at. So why do you want to cheat yourself कि भाई तुम्हें लगने लगेगा अरे मुझे बहुत अच्छा आता है. Okay, if you copy, तो अपने हिसाब से करो यार, जितना आता है क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है, क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है इस ग्रेड का, कोई नहीं पूछता यार, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता ज़िंदगी में इन सब चीज़ों का, सच्चाई ये है. ठीक है, ओके. एनीवे, नो क्वेश्चंस. ओके, बाय बाय. Can see you on Friday.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.